Hey everyone, welcome to New Blinds Expert Guides. Today I'm going to share something that could save you hundreds of pounds if you've got Somfy battery-powered roller blinds. We're talking about charging socket pin damage on Somfy Roll Up 28 and Sonesse 30 lithium-ion motors. It's surprisingly common, completely preventable, and here's the kicker, it's not covered under warranty. Inside the charging socket of these Somfy motors, there are 3 tiny precision metal pins. These need to align perfectly with your charger plug. If you insert the charger at even a slight angle, those delicate pins can get pushed off-center, bent or flattened. And once that happens, the pins can't make proper electrical contact anymore, your motor won't charge, and your blind becomes completely inoperable. Somfy considers this user-inflicted damage, so you're looking at replacement costs out of your own pocket. After installing hundreds of these blinds, we've seen even experienced professionals damage these pins. Here's why it happens. These blinds are often installed high up on windows, in tight recesses or on ceilings. You're on a ladder, stretching, and you can't feel that perfect alignment. You're charging by feel, which is asking for trouble. And here's a big one. These motors arrive with minimal charge, just 20 to 30% battery. That's for shipping safety. So that first charge, the socket has literally never been used. And if nobody's told you how precise you need to be, that first time is your highest risk moment. Critical point, the charging port position can rotate during installation. If you've installed the blind with the port facing the wall or upwards instead of into the room, you're literally feeling around hoping the pins align. That's a recipe for damage. So how do you prevent this? Method 1 is proper manual charging technique. Position yourself so you can see the socket clearly. Get your lighting sorted. Visually line up the charger pins before making contact. Go slowly with gentle, straight pressure. If you feel any resistance, stop immediately and realign. Pro tip, take a photo of the socket with your phone first to check your alignment. But method 2 is what I recommend, the magnetic extension cable. An adapter plugs into your motor's charging socket once during installation and stays there permanently. It has a magnetic connector on the end. Your extension cable connects magnetically to that adapter, and your charger plugs into the other end. Every future charging cycle uses this foolproof magnetic connection. It's magnetic. It clicks into place perfectly every time. You literally cannot damage the pins. The benefits? Foolproof alignment, extended reach so no more ladders, protects the motor forever, faster charging routine, and works with both Roll Up 28 and Sonesse 30 motors. The cost? £17.40. Compare that to engineer call-out fees of £80 to £150 or a replacement motor over £200. It's an absolute no-brainer. Always use this for motors installed above 2 meters, ceiling or skylight installations, motors behind furniture, or anywhere you can't easily see and reach the socket. Key takeaways. This problem is real and common. Prevention costs £17.40 versus potentially hundreds in repairs. That first charge matters most. Set the right pattern from day one. And always install your blind with the charging port facing into the room, not toward the wall or upward. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you need the magnetic extension cable, head over to newblinds.co.uk. All the links are in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.